Alright, so this video will be hard, and yeah, so just bear with me, alright? But because this is a fairly big project, so what I'm going to do is to add two more state. First is move state, the other is idle state. So while the person is moving, enter that move state, person is idle state, or yeah, no, like just play some idle animation. So what I'm going to do is to you can go back here. You can create a C# script, and you can say player move state, right? And just wait a bit for it to gently initialize things, and just wait, yeah, and create player. Yeah, move state and player idle state. Right, just two more files. Wait, just be patient. Yeah. State. By the way, if you want to like just save all the hassle of follow along with the tutorial, you can join the Patreon. You can just download all that. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is to go to the player, and player is the model behavior. Okay, because let's what are we going to do to actually control the player, right? So it's model behavior. We can get this say void let me add a private void void and awake. Yeah, just add that. And before all that, we can private. Let's make it public. There's no reason to make it private. So first is player state machine, and it's a state machine, and you can get the just the same old stuff. Get private set. Okay. And public player move state, yeah, move state get private set, yeah, good, but we haven't like actually write that yet. And player, come on, player, yeah, you know what you want to do. Player idle state, right? Idle state, and yeah, get private set. That'll be all. Okay. And when you actually wake, you are going to initialize a state machine, new player state machine. Yeah, that's just initialize it, and then you got a move state. You got this move state equals to new a move state. This state machine, yeah, move. That's good. And idle state. Let me just do that. Idle state, yeah, new idle state. This, yeah, idle, yeah, that's pretty good. Of course, it will give you error, and let me just hover over it. Constructor player move state has 0 parameters, but it's invoked with 3 arguments, which means that the player move state here, right? The player move state here, which will be player move state here, need a little bit working. Okay, so let's do that. So here comes your amazing part. It's not a mono behavior, so what I'm going to do is to just delete it, and all here the code can be generated. So you just need to delete everything. Okay, and what I'm going to do is to first is a move state, so it's a player state, right? So you're going to change that from mono behavior to player state, right? And then all that inside. We need to generate a sort of a constructor. Contain parameter does not contain parameter constructor. So yeah, let me generate a constructor. So implement missing. Create default constructor in player state. Yeah, okay. Add a default constructor. Yeah, public. Protected state string. Yeah, let's undo all the constructor. Come on. Let's undo all the constructor. It's not all I want. Yeah, sorry. Player, what is this? Yeah, player state. Yeah, I think I might just got the wrong file. Oh my gosh. State machine. Yeah, probably. Yeah. Sorry. Player. And yeah, that's the wrong file. Sorry. I'm really sorry about that. So for example, let's go to the player move. Yeah. Then here, let's show context. Create a default constructor, generate constructor. Yeah, general constructor. Sorry. Public player move state, and so player state machine string. Yeah, and we got this base player machine. Yeah, basically all that is you need a constructor in order for this player move state to work. And that's not enough. We need to override it. So I believe context and generate code. Okay, and we can override deconstruct, override members. Context, navigate to internal. Yeah, maybe here, generate code. Overriding members. Okay, we got members to override. We got enter, we got exit, right? And where's update? Logic update, right? Okay, we can use logic update. Okay, the rest I don't think we need. Yeah, it's just enter, logic updates, and exit. Yeah, what use logic update? I believe that it's here we use the yeah, we use logic update. If we use update here, okay, player state, if we use update here, it should you know, change here as well. So let me show you. All right, so generate code, override members. Yeah, enter, update, and exit. Okay. The logic update is like automatically generated by Copilot, so doesn't really matter. Okay, so base enter, base update, base exit. Yeah, good to go. Idle theme way of doing things. Change it to player state. Okay, what can I say? I'm lazy. And player idle state, all that update and exit. Yeah. Copilot can help me to get all this like annoying generated code, you know, by override all that quickly. That's a good thing. Yeah. So once you got this like the move state as well as the idle state, yeah, finish all this constructor, you can go back here. And it shouldn't give you any error. So yeah, that's good. Of course, you can you know, add more state, but right now let's just start from very simple state. Okay, yeah, I think that's pretty good. Pretty long for this video. Okay, yeah, bye.